Check out the sand. Wow. Kinetic sand. It's so cool. It doesn't stick to you. Wow. Kinetic sand. This is a construction site with sand. We just added sand to the construction site. Check out this yellow truck. Wow. Let's see this yellow truck up close. Wow. That's so cool. It's moving the sand. Look how it can move the sand. Wow. Let's see what other construction vehicles and trucks we have. This is a huge yellow truck. Look at all the little yellow trucks in the back. Wow. Look at that. How many wheels does this have? I see 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 wheels. Then if we turn it around, there's 4 more wheels on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 more wheels. So there's 8 wheels in total. Look at all these yellow trucks. Whoa. There's 1, 2, 3. Beep beep. Here comes 4. Whoa. Are there any more yellow trucks in the back of this yellow truck? Oh, here comes another one. Whoa. Here comes one more. This one's coming backwards. Whoa. There it goes. Ooh. Let's bring all 6 of the little yellow trucks into the construction site. 1 yellow truck. Here comes the second yellow truck. 2 yellow trucks. 3 yellow trucks. 4 yellow trucks. 5 yellow trucks. Here comes the 6th yellow truck, number 6. There's all the yellow trucks. They made it to the construction site. Let's see if the little yellow trucks can go over the sand. We'll try to make our own road. Wow. I think we can get up this hill. Let's see. There it goes. There goes 1. The second yellow truck. Wow. The 3rd yellow truck made it. There it goes. Here comes number 4. Ooh. Whoa. There it goes. Here comes one of the bigger ones. Wow. Better watch out, little yellow trucks. The big yellow truck's coming through. But there's just one of these. There's just one. You still have 2 yellow trucks that need to make it up to the top of this sand hill. Here comes one. There it goes. Oh, you think it's gonna make it? Can this yellow truck make it to the top of this sand? Whoa, it made it. Here comes the last one. Let's see if this one could make it to the top. Number 6. This is number 6. Wow! All the yellow trucks need to get back off of the construction site. So let's go back over the sand hill again. Here we go. Here goes number 1. One yellow truck. Wow! Beep beep. Here goes number 2. Wow! Here comes the 3rd yellow truck. Let's see if the 3rd yellow truck can make it. It made it. Here comes the 4th yellow truck. Let's see if the 4th yellow truck can make it down the sand hill. Here comes the 5th yellow truck. Let's see if this one can make it. Whoa! There it goes. Here comes the 6th yellow truck. This is the last yellow truck. Here it comes. Time to lower the back gate. Wow! Here comes the first one. One yellow truck. The first yellow truck made it. Here comes the 2nd yellow truck. The 2nd yellow truck made it. Here comes the 3rd yellow truck. The 3rd yellow truck made it. Here comes the 4th yellow truck. The 4th yellow truck made it. Yellow truck number 5. And finally, yellow truck number 6. They both made it. There they go. Now it's time to close the back door on the big yellow truck. Here it goes. It's time to leave the construction site. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.